I don't know if this is true for you, but this is true for many guys' wardrobes. If the formal end of their wardrobe is looking like this, like it looks like fire, chances are very, very high the casual end of their wardrobe is in ashes, like this. I used to be that guy, and you don't have to be that guy. So in today's video, I'll share with you some casual essentials that every guy should have. What's up, good people? In case you're new here, I am David Ochola and this is Wardrobe Chronicles. On this channel, I make videos that not only help you be confident in who you are, but also present the best version of yourself to the rest of the world. In case that's something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome content I post here, because that will help you put your best foot forward. That said, let's jump right into today's video. The first casual essential that every guy should have is a good pair of sneakers. I would suggest 1 or 2 pairs of sneakers. Many fashion influencers will tell you to settle for white sneakers, but I would say you know what works for your wardrobe and you know what works best for you. If at all white sneakers are very difficult or challenging for you to keep up with, you can settle for other colors like brown, like grey, like black. Those are great options that will also be as versatile as white ones, but if you can get white ones, even the better for you. For the second pair of sneakers, I would suggest that you go for an athletic one. You can go for Ultra Boost or whatever works for you. It just depends on whatever is trending and you know what you like best, yeah? So when it comes to the color, you can settle for black, grey, navy, or whatever color really works for you. You want to go for something that you can wear with sweatpants and you can wear with jeans as well. That way you will get the best bang for your buck and you will look fresh all day long. Remember, what you're going for is things that are versatile so that we can get you started with your casual wear and help you look fresh in the long run, yeah? Which brings me to the second item of clothing that every guy should have when it comes to the casual end of their wardrobe. And that is a good pair of plain jeans. And I say plain jeans because many guys make this mistake when they're buying the first pair of jeans. Many guys will go for distressed jeans or something that's acid washed or something that's just not as versatile as a plain pair of jeans. When it comes to the color, it just comes down to your preference. You can settle for black or blue. I would suggest those two colors because those are more versatile than other colors like grey and lighter wash jeans. And by versatile, I mean something that you can dress up. Something that you can wear with a blazer, something you can wear with a suit jacket, something you can wear with a shirt, and also be able to wear it with a t-shirt, yeah? And a casual shirt as well. So what we're going for is something that's very plain, and by plain I really mean plain. Like you don't want any embroidery on the pockets or anything like that. That way you will be able to wear it in very many ways. I usually say at least if you can wear it 2 or 3 different ways, that's a pair of jeans that you should go for. The best thing about a plain pair of jeans is that you can wear them with very many different shoes. So say for example, you can wear it with athletic shoes, you can wear it with the white sneakers or the black or brown, whatever sneakers that you will settle for. You can also wear them with some leather shoes. If at all the leather shoes can be dressed down, then the perfect way to dress them down is with jeans. The next item that you can buy to build the casual end of your wardrobe is plain t-shirts. Plain t-shirts are usually really good, just like plain jeans, because they make it easier to compose outfits and you can dress them up and dress them down. That is what we call versatility when it comes to style. The thing about guys is we are known for not spending so much money on clothes, so when you buy clothes, buy good quality ones and buy things that you can wear in many different ways, yeah? So say for example, if it was a black shirt, you can dress it up and you can dress it down. Say for example, if it was a grey t-shirt, you can dress it up and you can dress it down. But when you think about other colors like pink, it now becomes tricky. So what you want to go for a start, for beginners, is black, navy blue and grey. Those are the basic t-shirts that you will need. If you can have a number of them, even the better. What you want to make sure of is that it fits well around here and your torso area, and that way you will have a number of t-shirts that will be able to serve you right, especially when you're still learning how to build up to being versatile and being really superb at casual wear. Which brings me to outerwear. Many guys usually like hoodies, and I have no problem with hoodies. But this is where you can get interesting. Just like I told you at the beginning, when you're starting off, you're going for basic items, yeah? But now where you get interesting is with a hoodie. Don't settle for grey ones that are boring or black ones or navy. go for something a little more characteristic, something that has more character, something that tells us that you're stylish. That is what you want to go for. So say for example, you can go for colors like burgundy, you can go for maybe something a little more graphic just to add some interest to your outfit, so that on the days that you're dressed down, you don't look like you don't know what you're doing. Because that's definitely not what we are trying to do here. We want to make you look good whenever you dress down and whenever you dress up, yeah? Always remember, that's a goal, to look like you're really good at it without having to put so much effort into it. They say the great ones make it look easy. And the last essential that every guy needs to have is chinos or khakis. Depending on the type of lifestyle that you live, you can either settle for formal ones or for casual ones. For the casual ones, you want one that is flat at the front, or rather they're called flat front khaki pants. On this side, you have the ones that have a crease at the front, and sometimes they usually have pleats, which makes them a little more formal, but you can dress them down just to a small extent. So these are the two options that you have, depending on your lifestyle. If you want something a little more dressy, go for this. But now that we're building your casual wardrobe, go for this. When it comes to color, we want to settle for things that are versatile, yeah? Because that's the whole theme of this video. We are assuming that you're just getting started with the casual end of things, yeah? So you want to settle for colors like gray, like black, like tan. Those are the main colors that you want to go for just when you're beginning. Now after that, you can go into colors like maroon, like burgundy, like jungle green, so that you add some interest to whatever you're wearing. The best part about khaki pants is you can dress them down with a t-shirt, as long as the t-shirt is not a graphic t-shirt, and you can dress them up as well with, say, a formal shirt or an Oxford shirt, just to look good on casual Fridays. The other thing I like about them is when it comes to footwear, you have a vast array of choices. Of course, the only shoe that you cannot wear with khakis is an athletic shoe, because it will just look off. The contrast will be too stark. And that brings me to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to drop a like down below. I'd really appreciate it. I appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you next week, because next week I will be talking about formal essentials that you should have when you're getting started with building the formal end of your wardrobe. Thank you so much for stopping by. Keep crushing it.